Fannie and Freddie to buy 200 billion. That's billion with a B. Let's figure out what that means to us. Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation. Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans powered by Stride Bank. The contact is here. It's 855-956-4040 or check us out online at nationalvaloans.com. All right. Fannie and Freddie to buy $200 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities. I'm sure you guys have heard the news. You've heard what's going on. And if you're like most people, you're like, well, how does this affect me and how can I take advantage of this? So that's a really good question. That's something we want to address today. There's a couple different things you can do, of course, to take advantage of this. But what I want to address is how this has affected the market in the past. None of us have a crystal ball. We obviously, don't get me wrong. I wish I did. It'd be a lot easier in life, but none of us have that crystal ball to be able to know what this is going to do to the market. However, we can look back historically to see what it's done in the past. And in the past, we've seen interest rates drop between 25 and 75 basis points. So it's between 1/4 and 3/4 of a point. Okay. Now that's significant, guys. And I want to talk about to our VA or our veterans out there that have VA loans right now. And if you bought a home in the last 2 or 3 years, you're potentially, if everything works like it's done historically, you're potentially going to be able to see an opportunity to do the VA interest rate reduction loan. Okay. The VA interest rate reduction loan is a fantastic loan. It allows you to lower your monthly mortgage payment, lower your interest rate, which lowers your monthly mortgage payment, and not have to go through all the qualifications that typical loans you'd have, especially if you did a purchase here recently and you remember all the stuff that you had to go through. You won't have to do that again on the VA IRRRL. Of course, you can give us a call, 855-956-4040, 855-956-4040. Back to what we were talking about, though, with the mortgage-backed securities that are being bought. $200 billion is a very significant number. We should, actually, I won't say should. Historically, we've seen interest rates drop because of that. Okay. Will we see it this time? I'm not 100% sure, but historically, we have seen it drop upwards of 3/4 of a point. So again, you VA customers out there that have a current VA loan, this may be your opportunity to get in. 855-956-4040 is the best way to get a hold of us. Of course, you can check us out online at www.nationalvaloans.com. I just want to get it on the bottom of the screen for you. So www.nationalvaloans.com. I know I don't have to say the www, but I'm old. I'm used to saying it. And then, of course, 855-956-4040. Now, if you are like me and you just like to get stuff done and be proactive, check out nationalapplynow.com. It's a simple, secure website that you can download our simple, safe, secure application to your mobile phone, either Apple or Android. And then you can complete that application, and then your VA specialist will give you a call right away to go over all your different options, especially if you want to take advantage of what potentially could be lower interest rates here in the near future. Again, it's 855-956-4040, nationalapplynow.com. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel here just to stay up to date with all the current and new information that's coming out from the VA and, of course, in the markets. Again, 855-956-4040. Until next time, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for your service. God bless and take care of yourselves.